Hi, my name's Chris Hopkins with Reàl Infused Exotics. Today we're getting a little patriotic with this classic cocktail that we like to call America's Hour. This is a riff on a more modern cocktail that's famous around the traps. It's called the New York Sour, traditionally a whiskey sour with a red wine float. We're just taking it a little bit different with this angle for America's Hour. So here we go. Starting off, we're going to do 1.5 ounces of a nice American bourbon. We're going to add 1 ounce of freshly pressed lemon juice. To add a little sweetness, we're going to kick into 1 ounce of Reàl Guava. It's a beautiful pink tropical fruit that adds a lot of body and a lot of texture to this cocktail. We're going to add a 1/2 ounce of egg white just to give it a little frothy emulsification, and then we're going to shake it up. Give it a shake. Okay, so we're going to strain that over some fresh ice. And then to finish it off, we're going to layer on top a beautiful 3 ounces of California Chardonnay. Just something a little bit different that gives us nice, kind of a wine sangria riff to go with that whiskey sour. Getting patriotic once more, we're going to finish that off with some yellow lemon stars and the flag of America. And there we have it, America's Hour with Reàl Infused Exotics. I'm Chris Hopkins with Reàl Infused Exotics. Thank you for joining us in the latest segment of Cocktails as we dive into all the flavors that we have to offer, and we look forward to you joining us again soon. Until then, take care.